Um, Definitely, if you are not a giver, you will attract poverty and lack.
Let's say I'm a giver. He said it on this area of tithing.
iBhayibheli alisifundisi a giver who does not tithe. iBhayibheli lifundisa ukuthi first you tithe, then you give. Babadlamini, i-revenue eningi in churches is through this system of tithing.
Okay.
And yenzani revenue? It spreads the gospel. Sisondla ngalezi shumi intandane, ngalezi shumi sondla abafelokazi, ngalezi shumi sinika abefundisi abashumela ivangeli phakathi kwethu, siba-transporte, sibahlangabeze. So if you kill the tithe, you kill the most powerful revenue for the house of God.
Who is obligated to receive tithe?
Yes, aspeak abefundisi ukuthi ikhona abuse of finances in the house of God. There are people who are abusing people. That's very true. We cannot deny that. But asikwazi ukuchitha ingane namanzi angcolile.
Since it's tithe, it's in support of ama ayintandane nabafelokazi. So let's say angikunikeli kumfundisi othile kodwa yimi engikhetha ukuyozithengela nje izintandane ukudla, abafela njalo kube ukuthi ngizenzela nje, but not in the form of a church, kodwa ngizenzela mina self.